Socially responsible business global trends. Inspiration. Passion. Motivation. Get up and move forward. Rise above. Businesses will never be the same again. Look beyond heartaches, challenges, failures, broken dreams, beyond the norm, beyond the expected, beyond where you've already been. PLDT.
So good morning everyone, especially to our instructor, Ma'am Chiniyang Ortiz. Good morning to you, Ma'am. I am Genevieve Olivar from Red Team, and our topic given is all about the social responsible business and global trends from the year 2019-2021. So with my team, we are going to report and answer those two questions that are timely and relevant topics that we had. So our chosen business trends is internet connection, because as we all know, since from the pandemic, internet connection is very important nowadays, and it has changed our business, education, government, healthcare, and even in the ways which we interact our loved ones, and it has become one of the key drivers evolutions. And there are also internet brand connection that give welfare into our community.
From this time of pandemic, there is also an internet brand connection who was helping people like PLDT. They provided trainings to different poor communities and victims of calamities, and conduct a relief operations, medical and dental missions, and also feeding programs. Through this, it has a great opportunity to our community.
Internet is the global wide area networks that connects computer systems across the world. Also, internet connection is the main problem all over the world, Philippines rather, because Philippines is the lowest speeds internet, like Philippines always hopes to enjoy faster speed soon, as the two major network service provide the country, like PLDT, Global Telecom. As a student, low internet connection is the limited access from the homes and the rural areas. Calls contribute to the student falling behind academic.
The internet has fostered transform in community from densely knit village and neighborhoods to more sparsely knit social networks, because individuals rather than households are separately connected. The internet and the cell phone have transformed communication from house to house and person to person.
Nowadays, we are facing a pandemic, and this pandemic is named COVID-19. Using the internet as a source of social responsible business and global trends. The impact of this is really big help for the businessman and businesswoman. Why? Because it will be a hassle-free for them. Because they can just easily update their business through online without going anywhere. Also, the big help of internet as a source or channel of business is less contact of people, which is good for the situation today. Because the lesser contact to other people, the bigger possibility to minimize the huge number of COVID-19 cases. And this is the power of the technology and internet.
Internet has influenced and is still influencing the way society communicates in many different ways. The rise of the internet has caused people to communicate differently in areas never dreamed of before the internet came into existence. Education has been revolutionized through the world of the information superhighway. Medicine has also seen reform as the internet improves research and communication. Individuals are starting businesses from scratch, while others are selling household items for extra cash. The internet typhoon sweeping the globe has become a way of the life for many individuals all across the globe.
Internet is the access to process of connecting the internet using personal computers, laptop, or mobile devices by users or enterprises.
The internet plays an important role in maintaining this isolated social network. With the help of internet, people are able to maintain active contacts with sizable social network. Even though many of the people in those networks do not live nearby. The connected means that the internet and other media poster within social network has real payoffs. People use the internet to seek out others in the in their network of contacts when they need help.
And we talk about internet. We observe that overall users of internet, the more they sociable. Sociable people are the more they use internet, and the more they increase their sociability online and offline of family and friendship in all cultures, with the exception of a couple of early studies of the internet in the 90s.
Internet is the technological cornerstone of modern business. It powers the communication, collaboration, data, profitability, and reputations. Today's organizations rely on internet connectivity to communicate internally with employees and externally with customers and partners. Without a reliable data connection, the entire business can come to a hard stop, including the sales, customer relationship management, and business profits.
Social responsibility is important in business industry because the company should be ethical, not just on their business but also to the community and to the environment where the business is standing. And it goes a long way towards attracting and retaining customers, which is essential to a company's long-term success. It could not only benefit for the business but also to the community and environment around it. Business is not just about earning and paying for something with an exchange. It could also mean helping and making the community or country grow as a whole.
Social responsibility is important in businesses to improve the customer's perception towards your brand as well as build a platform for marketing and gaining the attention of their target audience. Practicing social responsibility can help your company as a beneficial in society by promoting projects that can help create awareness for critical causes, while also keeping your company in the eye of the public.
So first, being a socially responsible company can bolster a company image and build its brand. Second, social responsibility empowers employees to leverage the corporate resources at their disposal to do good. And lastly, formal corporate social responsibilities program can boost employees' morale and lead to greater productivity in the workplace.
Social responsibility is important in business industry. In today's cynical age, social responsibility keeps the business honest and the markets stable. Social responsible companies cultivate positive brand recognition, increase customer loyalty, and attract top-tier employees. These elements are among the keys to achieving increased profitability and long-term financial success. When a business takes initiative to solve the problem of the society, it puts the business in the goodwill of the people. It is in the self-interest of the business to have social responsibility, as it opens opportunity for understanding the problem and issues of the society. In short, social responsibility is very important in business industry because it gives the balance of the business to the society.
Impact of internet on society. The information superhighway, which is commonly called as internet, has been defining the world for many years. With the invention of World Wide Web in 1918, the wireless network, which connected people globally, began to influence the society and people.
The internet is like the double-edged sword, which can be used both positive and negative purposes. We cannot imagine our world nowadays with internet, as this mingled with our daily life very much, and it is inseparable from us. Therefore, we must learn to avoid the negative so we can enjoy the positive to their full extent. Use the internet in the positive way and it will be the best mentor.
Impacts of the internet includes the following. It provides effective communication using emailing and instant messaging services to any part of the world. It improves business interactions and transactions, saving vital time. Banking and shopping online have made life less complicated.
Internet connection can help the local and international company to communicate. The information communication technology plays big part of the development of the company in the Philippines, and the internet connects help the innovation to promote the Filipino company all over the nation. And with the spread of the pandemic, almost all regions have implemented community quarantine, and shutting down all activities requires social gatherings and interaction, and the result is the people is taking internet to internet services to continue communicate and interact, and to continue their responsibility of their works.
With PLDT, we are all connected.